You are watching Tony R 619 Breaks. Booyah!
Hey, what's up, my two friends? Tony back with another video, and today I will be doing the Charm of Goddess. The Charm of Goddess is this only the second time that I've done this bots break. Let's go ahead and open it up so you can see it better. Okay. It's got giant Miko on the cover. There it is. Charm of Goddess. These were the hits that we got. This was the hit pack. These we only got one of. This one we got two of these, and all these were two or more cards. So let's go ahead and open this up. The Charm of Goddess. And wish me luck. Okay. So it's a little box. Comes with 1 hit pack. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 packs plus the hit pack. Okay, so here we go. The first pack. Let's see if we see any new variations that we didn't pull in the first spots. Okay. So there's the way the back looks. The Charm of Goddess. And the first card is a UR. Is this Emilia? It might be Emilia from ReZero. UR. And let's see, it's over here. Let's put that right here. And then our next hit is Emilia again. Let's see if the spelling is the same. Oh, this one has no spelling. Okay. And this is a different variation, an SP. We haven't pulled an SP before. And it's a cracked eye, it's got cracked eyes effect. Very shiny, very beautiful card. Okay, so this is something new that we haven't picked, that we haven't gotten. I'll put this over here. That's to the other card that we only got one of, which was a CR. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Okay, let's pack. Okay, this is a landscape view, and it's a puzzle piece, and it's the same puzzle piece that we got in our last spots. Can never complete the puzzle pieces. And then we got Raiden Shogun. And it's like this giant Miko right here. SSR. Okay. No, we didn't pull that one. All right, here we go. Pack number 3. And some of these have characters on the back, like you see, like this one. Okay. Got another UR. And an NR, and it's Emilia again, and it's the same picture. Wow, 3 Emilias in one box. Same picture, different variation. Okay, and this NR is like this Raiden Shogun, and I actually, these are probably one of my favorites from this set. It's got this beautiful gold foil. It's got a rainbow effect to it too, on the foiling. And I just like cards with white backgrounds. Okay, let's pack. More characters. We got, this might be Shinha, but she's missing her stuff over here. And this is Kikin. We got a Eula. And this is the SSR. And an MR. Is she a cat? Okay. And that's our first MR, I believe, of this break. All All right, let's pack. Okay, this might be another MR. And GR. This is the girl from ReZero that killed the I forget his name. It's at the tip of my tongue at the beginning of the show. Subaru. The girl that kills Subaru. And then we got a Frieren MR. Okay, very nice. All right, let's pack. Got a Ganyu. And she is censored. Okay. And another NR. I like these cards. And I'm not sure who this is. Very nice lingerie she's wearing. Very cool. So we got our 2 NRs because we got 2 of them in our last bots. We still need 1 more hit because we got 2 hits in the first box. We got the CR and the EX and then the SP so far in this box. So we need 1 hit with the regular packs. Okay, UR and a CR. So this was our second hit, was a CR from the regular packs. Okay, so we'll put that right here. So those were our 2 hits right here from the regular packs. And we still have 3 more packs to go, 2 more regular packs to go. We need some more, 1 more MR, and then these right here. Okay, we got another SSR with Jai, Miko. And here is the ZR. Okay, so we need 1 more ZR. Oh, he's got 3 more packs to go. We need 1 more ZR and MR. Ooh, we got another CR. I don't know if that's REM or not. So we got 3 hits on this one. We got 2 CRs in this one. And a GR. Boobia. Okay, let's pack. GR again. We got duplicates on the GR. Is it the same color? Yeah, same color. And is this Kokomi? On the ZR or ZR? Okay, and now our hit pack. And it's very thin. Very, very thin. I hope it's not a redemption. Ooh, it's a Ganyu. Having a lollipop with some watermelon. Okay. Cracked ice effect. Non-number. But there's our hit. Ganyu is our hit. So there it is, guys. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, see you guys. God bless.
It's a double fantasy. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Quiero más, quiero más. Mami, tú sí puedes, dale que tú puedes más.